Yo, 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 family, the art of the glass, and I came back to give you another video. Up on the table, yes sir, you see exactly what it is. I got this bad boy off of AliExpress for a good price. Again, for a good price. And it's the model, the R36s. So you know we finna unbox this bad boy, right? Let's go. Okay. All right. Let's see the little features inside the box. So it comes with the manual. It comes with a screen protector. So you know I'm gonna definitely put that on in a minute. And it comes with some wipes and also a USB charger. I forgot which one this is. I think it's a C, but I'm not sure. But anyways, you know what that is. So yeah, and move that to the side, and here's the console. I got the purple one. I could have got the black one, but I just decided to get the purple one. Let me clean the screen up a little bit. I'm not sure if it got a screen protector on it. I think it do. Anyways, if it has it on there, I'll take it off later. But I just want to see if it has some juice on it. Okay, it's got the joysticks. They seem to be smooth. The button's not too clicky. The D-pad is pretty flexible. So you got your power button, you have your reset button. You have your the value buttons. Let me take this little sticky off thingy. See what happens when you don't have no nails. Boy. All right, and this is the SD card. I think I got the SD card for 64 gigs. So yeah, and then you got your head jack for your earphones. Then you have your charging ports. So let's crank up this bad boy and see if it got some juice on it. Oh yeah, it's definitely got some juice on it. Let me just take this piece off. Ooh-wee. I'm gonna go ahead and put this bad boy on. And it's coming right out of the box, people. Okay, let's get this on here. Oh. I mean, at least it's got 70% battery, so that's good. Okay. So let's see what we got going on here. Okay, so we gonna start here. Let me turn the camera so you can see it. Yeah. Okay, so it has a total of 15,081 games available, right? So you got your options, favorites. So we have systems from Capcom, Capcom 2, Capcom 3, Mame, PC Engine, Family Computer, Super Famicom, Nintendo, Super Nintendo, Nintendo 64, Game Boy, Game Boy Color, Game Boy Advance, Nintendo DS, Sega Mega Drive, Sega Dreamcast, Sega Game Gear, Neo Geo, has PlayStation, PSP, which is the PlayStation Portable, and Scum VM. I don't know what that one is. Anybody who knows what that is, let me know in the comment section. It says I only have 2 games available. Let's click on it. Okay. I want to see what the PSP has on it. I'm kind of hoping that it has God of War on it, which it probably might not, because I definitely wanted to play God of War with the joysticks, because my give me a second. Because my SP, as you can see, doesn't have the joysticks on it. So I was kind of hoping this will have the joysticks on it. I got this because the joysticks was on it. I don't know what I just did. But where was I? PSP. Let's look at PlayStation. Okay, it's got Mortal Kombat 4 and Mortal Kombat Trilogy. That's good. I wasn't really too crazy about that one. It's got that one. Bloody Roar. I played it once or twice. Wasn't really a big fan of it. Double Dragon. Okay. Let's check out Game Gear. They better have Bubble. Yep, they got Bubble. Oh, yeah. It's going to be one of the games I play. For sure. Let's go look into the Nintendo. Oh, they got Clay Fighters. Oh, snap. I was just saying the other day I wanted to play Clay Fighters. They got it. Yo. Okay. Dr. Mario. Oh, well, let's not get it twisted, though. I'm not going to stop playing this. You know, this is the firstborn first. Of course. I got to get a sticker and put it on the back of here. But anywho, oops. Just being disrespectful to my SP. Let's see. Let's go into Nintendo itself. Nintendo? Yeah. Oh, yeah. Super Mario Bros. Oh, it's got all the... Oh, yeah. This what I wanted to... Yeah, it's got... Well, I'm going to be playing Mario like crazy. Yeah, buddy. Let's go to Super Nintendo. Look at the Marios. I hope we got Killer Instinct in here. It better have Killer Instinct in here. Nope. Doesn't have Killer Instinct. How could it not have Killer Instinct? Oh, I talk too fast. I talk too fast. Get that air bubble out. Holy crap. I'm so excited. So now I can play with these. We're going to do a little test run. All right. Yes, yes. Okay, let me see if I can do it. Let me see if I can do the same thing with mine. Okay, well, chill out. Chill out. You just disrespectful, right? You just disrespectful right there. Get out of here. Who's your daddy? Yes, sir. Now, Combo, he finna kick my butt. But that's okay. Because I'm going to still give him a fight, though. Come on. Man, you just get out of here. I gotta use the joystick. Shane Duncan! Okay, you can have that one. You can have that one. Combo breaker. Get out of here. Oh, I guess I won. Not today. Not today. Oh, crap. Yeah, I'm definitely going to be fighting hard. Okay. out. The disrespect, the low down disrespect. Get out of here. Get out of here. It's all right. I gave him a beating a little bit. Yes, game is over. Where's the menu? No. How do I get out? I'm gonna just let her beat me so I can get out. Let me see how. Okay, just learn how to do it. So I had to press the start and select buttons at the same time. So yeah, all right. Got all the Kirby's. Oh man, I'm gonna be playing this thing for a long time, for a very long time. Mario's missing, Mario Paint, all the Marios. Yep. Yeah, man. So again, I got the R36s from AliExpress. Perfect timing that it came in. Now I can sit down here and go through it and see what it got. But first, I'm gonna charge it to get it to a 100. So with that being said, family, if you was digging the video of me unboxing my new console to add to this console, do me a solid. Hit that like button. Leave your comments down in the comment section and let me know what you think of the drawing. Sorry, I sound like I'm talking through my nose. Hit the notification bell so you be the first to click on a video and give it a view. And also subscribe to my channel, The Art of D Glass. And just like that, I'm going to go have fun with this little gadget. And I'm going to catch you guys in the next video. Peace.